is actually setting up or installing Java onto our new EC2 instance. So last time we cloned down a repository that we wanted to write some code in, and we can see that the README file is there. And since this is going to be a Java piece of code, it would be nice if we could confirm that Java is loaded. So if we just type in Java and then space -- version, which is the standard way to find out what current version of the program you are running, you'll notice that Java is not currently installed. So we're going to go through the process of actually installing it. Before you install any piece of software, it's always a good idea to make sure your machine is up to date. So I'm first going to run sudo apt-get update and then the -y so it doesn't ask me if I really want to do this. And there we go. And it's also a good idea to do upgrade as well, so that if there's anything that needs to be upgraded, it will also happen. So sudo apt distribution upgrade and -y again, so it doesn't ask me, and we're completely up to date. So Java is not installed. What we're going to be doing is installing this version right here. So sudo apt install default JRE. And we run that. Oh, I forgot to put the -y, so it asks you if you really want to do this. Yes, we do, and it'll go off and run it. This might take a minute. As you can see, it gives us a little progress bar down at the bottom. So we'll just wait as it goes by. Once it's done, we can just run the java -- version command again and confirm that it is actually all up and running. There we go. So we're just going to run the Java version command again, and you will notice it has now loaded the latest version, and we're off and ready to go.